Hyperdimensional geometry extends beyond our conventional three-dimensional space, challenging our typical perceptions and understandings. In this advanced framework, dimensions exceed the three axes of height, width, and depth that we are accustomed to. Imagine a scenario where each additional dimension provides a new degree of freedom, leading to the potential for complex shapes and configurations unbound by the limitations of three-dimensional space. A fascinating aspect of higher dimensional spaces is their implications on objects such as knots. In three dimensions, a knot is a looped piece of string or rope that intertwines with itself. However, in four or more dimensions, the concept of a knot as we know it begins to dissolve. This is primarily because the extra dimensions provide additional space and pathways that allow the ends of the knot to avoid each other and unravel. Thus, in four-dimensional space, what we perceive as a knot can simply be untangled by moving portions of the string along an unseen fourth axis. To further visualize, consider a two-dimensional analogy. On a flat piece of paper, draw a circle and label 2 points on it. These points are connected by the curve of the circle in 2 dimensions. However, if you could move one of the points out of the paper's plane, adding a third dimension, the link between them can be disentangled. Similarly, knots in 3 dimensions can be untwisted in 4 dimensions by simply moving part of the knot along an invisible 4th dimension. This characteristic of higher dimensional spaces is not merely a mathematical curiosity but opens ponderous philosophical and scientific implications.